Hi, this is Laurent Massé. This is my Mission 3 Project Finch Control, the first part of it. And the application started with the main menu. A lot of this was already built, obviously. I did do an if statement here uh, in order to validate user input here, um, validate the string. Created Oops, sorry, created some methods here that will show down below. Um, here's there was a different default here. I did change that in order to create this validation. Um, and let's see, we got the talent show menu here. Um, some code issues that I ran into. I mean, just understanding the methods took me a little bit of time. And practice. I found other practice exercises outside of the Cengage just to really get a handle on how everything was being called and returned or not returned and how it all was working. But I did finally get it, so I'm actually really pleased with understanding it. I was feeling very confused and frustrated at the beginning of this method, the whole idea of methods. Um, I did go, let's see, I created that. That's the talent show menu here. Then the switch here with the cases and the various methods here that I created. Um, just going to go down to these methods here. So here was the first method. The talent show display light and sound. This was in here already. But then here's the, well, actually, it wasn't. Let's see, going back up here, sorry. I created the song method to put in the entire song I created that I wrote. It was called "Whiskey Before Breakfast." It's a traditional bluegrass song, and I originally had all of my levels too low, so the notes were it was too low of an octave, so it all came out sounding like one big long note. So I moved the octaves up a couple octaves, and it did come through, and I'll show all this on a video as well. The talent show dance, I did the same thing. I created a method and put it in here as well. The mix it up, kind of the same idea. I did create this check valid number to this check valid number method to validate a number with a feedback message. Let's see. So basically, I had them, or I have the user putting in how many times they want the Finch to cycle through the combination of the mix-up that I have, and I have them validate. I had to validate the number, and then use that number to run through the whole mix it up section here, I guess. And then, so here's where I did do a generate random value, which was kind of cool. Um, didn't fully understand this. I had a little help, but I was able to find this. It didn't quite work the way I wanted it to. The the light is changing, however, it's staying kind of in it's going from lighter shades to darker shades, it seems. I did play around with these values a little bit. Originally, I did various things with this. I tried a couple different things, um, but I changed these values here: 10, 150, 0, 10, 100, 255. And I played around with those quite a bit just to see if I could get the random numbers to start changing from, blues to reds to greens and such. And it doesn't seem to be doing that, but I'm going to keep playing with that one. But that one was kind of cool. The I did a short song, short dance. Excuse me, that's my dog. Gotta shut the door here. And down here is where my song method is. It's quite long, but then I did a short song for the mix it up. That's the short song method. It is a small part of the longer song version. And then I've got the dancer version here, or dancer method here. I did a short dance method also for the mix it up portion. Here's my check valid number method, and there's the disconnect, the connect. I mean, I don't think I did anything too much different in there. Um, yeah. So, as far as the coding issue that I encountered, I think for me it was just really trying to understand the the flow. I had to print out the code itself and put it all on, like, I taped a bunch of pieces of paper together and was able to kind of see where everything was and try to capture the flow. That took me some time. I also obviously printed out the instructions, and I also um, uh, what else did I print out? And that's pretty much what I had with me. And it took me some time to sort out how to go through all this. But I am pleased that I that I figured it out in general. Um, just finally understanding how the methods work. That did take me some time. I had to do a lot of practicing this week before I even started to tackle this project. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video of the Finch robot and post that as well.